One of the features of Dropbox is Dropbox Paper, which is accessible through the web login. So I'm already logged into my account, as you can see right here. And here on the left side, you can see that it says Paper. So Paper is an online word processing software which you can use to collaborate with other people. So you can simply go over here and click on Create Paper Doc right over here. So once you do that, a new document will be created. And you can see that the formattings and everything else is actually very minimalistic. So you can see that the paper is there. So it says My Paper Doc right over here. You can also customize it just by typing, as you can see. So I'm just going to say TutorTube Dropbox tutorial, just like this, as you can see. And there are a lot of formatting options right here. And this is something that we're going to see in further lessons as well. So over here, you can see that I can type in to get started, and you get here like bolding options right over here, heading options, and so forth, as you can see. So I can just press enter and start typing a paragraph. For example, I'm going to say this is a paragraph, just like this, and there you go. I can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and just like any other word processing software, I can start typing in. I can select this and format this out as well according to what I want. So over here, you can see that I have option to add images or add medias or insert Dropbox files as well. You can create tables, timelines, there's like to-do list and bullet points, numbered list right over here, section banks and quotes. So we're going to see all of this in detail in future lesson. So in our case, let's just take, let's say something like insert Dropbox files right over here. So you can browse your files right from over here. And let's say, for example, I want to add in this image, choose this, and it'll be inserted right over here, as you can see. So the image has been inserted right out of my Dropbox files. I can also add in comments to a specific area or comment it out, as you can see right over there, so that you can collaborate with others. You can also comment on specific area right over there, just like that, and then work around with that as well. Another thing that you can do is you can share this out with others, just like this, and have the sharing settings over here. You also have the link right over here as well. So there's this different option. You can search your Dropbox for it, and you can even create your new documents just like that over here. So there are tools for working together, as you can see. So you can format on the flow and everything else which is provided right over here, just like that. And this is another thing that you have. You also have like a dark mode right over here, which you can turn on to see everything in dark, or you can click over here and it will turn it off so that you can have it in default right over here. And this is the word processing software, and this has been saved onto your Dropbox folder itself. So if you were to go and click back, what happens is that the Dropbox paper is actually stored up. So you can see the file right over here. It's .paper, as you can see. And as you open it, you have it here. You also have other options, like you have an option to share it. You have option to present it, as you can see right over here, by which you can actually see this in full screen right over here in bright or dark mode, as well as a web page as well. So that is how you basically get started with using Dropbox Paper. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.